So far, I've been able to set up my environment. I've got all prerequisites, prepared the data by downloading it from openml.org. And then I learned that you can use code cells. Next, I'm going to be using a neural network to increase the accuracy. Let's have a look at what that looks like in VS Code. These are the code cells inside Jupyter Notebook. Imported pandas, NumPy, and CSV. Replaced question mark with not a number. And data viewer. I imported Seaborn, Matplotlib, and we plotted some graphs. Then I replaced data for male and female with 1 and 0. We had to go with the correlation function. We split the data up to train data and testing data. We then scaled that data. Model can predict with 75% accuracy. The next step is to use a neural network to increase the accuracy. That's day 5 of 100 days of Python code. Join me when we'll be looking at neural nets in day 6.